Right, hello guys, welcome to Graphics Creation Workshop. This is going to be graphics creation for beginners. It is going to be a video course. So I'd like you to get in, check it out. This is mainly for artists who can draw their own images, their own pictures. Like you see shown on the screen are some of mine. This is what we're going to be learning inside the program in the workshop. Not these exact graphics because these are my own ones, but we've done just a simple flower to show you how to do it, so you can create all your own graphics similar to these as shown. Obviously you won't be creating these graphics, guys. So yeah, this is a set of mine. A couple of sets of mine. This was an elephants pack I did, and this is a fish pack that I'm doing at the moment. This is launching on the 17th of September, so you know, look out for that, guys. But for now, let's go to the next screen. Who is this workshop for? So it's going to be for artists who can draw their own images. It's for authors, graphic designers, KDP self-publishers, low content book creators, colouring book creators, graphics pack makers and sellers. This is a little bit like myself. Affiliate marketers can sell the packs and stuff like that. It's print on demand, Etsy sellers, book creators. And I believe you could probably use some of these in the new NFTs. So, you know, if you're creating your own graphics similar to these, as shown, you could put these up because they're unique to you. So you could possibly use, you know, if you're a good artist and that, you can use them for NFTs and stuff now. So let's go back to the next screen. It moves. Sorry, I'll skip one now. This was who it's for. Okay, guys. This is me, who is workshop creator. Me, Simon Newcomb from the UK. I'm a graphic designer, pack designer and seller. I'm a blogger, PLR creator and seller, and I'm an avid fisherman. As you can see one of my fish there. It's a day out with my son. That was about 14, maybe 15 pound if I remember. It's catch and release. We catch carp, take pictures as you see, and release them. Catch them another day. I'm a father of 3 and my granddad of 3, and we've got one more grandchild on the way. Coming around Christmas time, so we're all getting a little bit excited about that at the moment. See what it is in that. So go to the next one, and these are some of the packs that I have created. As you can see, there's my elephants pack. This was the main pack of the elephants. The colorized version was an upsell. The accessory graphics was an upsell, and the color by numbers. As you can see, I put some of these little graphics here, little butterfly, dragonfly, and a little tree. These are some of the accessories that I created inside this pack. There were 71 graphics in this one. This is all still available on my website if you LCB graphics. Little plug there. This one is the bonus pack that I did for this. I gave this away for this one. And this is the C pack that I'm doing right now, which is again launching on the 17th of September, guys. If you want to check that one out. So this is just to sort of let you know what it's for, what we're creating and that. You're going to learn how to create your own graphics like shown here. Obviously not these particular ones because these are mine. You do your own drawings and then create the line art and colour them in. So here's some benefits of this course, guys, or this workshop. It avoids any copyright issues that may occur as you are the owner of the graphics you created. So I see a lot of things at the moment with copyright issues, people getting their accounts banned and stuff like that. With creating your own graphics, you don't get any problem with this because you own them, basically. That's all there is to it. But obviously learning how to do it is another thing. So making your own graphics means they're also unique to you and your books. So, you know, you're making unique books because you're creating all the graphics that goes inside the books. You print on demand and stuff like that. It also saves you from buying other high-cost graphics, and these costs are getting higher and higher every year. So, you know, it's getting harder to turn a profit on books. You'll never need to use free graphics that hundreds of have used already. So, you know, where you take images. When I first started doing books, I used to take graphics from Pixabay and places like that, and Vecteezy, and use these free graphics. But hundreds of people are doing this as well, guys. So, you know, it kind of makes it harder and harder to make your books unique when so many people have used the graphics already. And the other part is you can sell the graphics to make extra money. So you sell the packs like what I showed you just now in the last image. These, you can create your own packs and sell these, get affiliates to help you sell them, things like that. So yeah, that's another part of the course where you can sell the graphics you create in that, guys. So yeah, you can see more on the sales page below, and get in. We're going to be launching soon. Obviously, when you're watching this video, we'll be launching, so just making it beforehand. So yeah, hopefully that helps, guys. Little video for you to see what we're going to be doing. Again, if we go back to the first slide, you can see the graphics shown here are my graphics that I created. I drew these, and I'm going to teach you how to create similar graphics. Obviously not showing these ones because these are mine, but you'll learn how to do graphics as shown here. So you'll be learning all this line art, tracing, how to do this from your own drawings, and then also you'll learn how to do the colouring and the shading. As you can see here, a little bit of shading, a little bit of shading down the bottom here, and the colours and stuff. So yeah, check it out, guys. We're launching now, so get in with that buy button at the bottom, and I'll hope to see you on the inside soon. Cheers, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye-bye.